Today's video is a park plan walkthrough at Animal Kingdom. This plan includes most attractions, entertainment, and all theater shows. I'm Holly, and welcome to It's a Great Disney Day. Start the day at 7:45 for a 9 a.m. rope drop. The only fast passes I had this day were Everest, Lion King, and Rivers of Light. This is the queue for flights of passage. You definitely don't want to be at the end of this line. It was a 3-hour wait. We were allowed to enter flights of passage at 8:50.
Welcome to the Avatar Pro. You've all been matched with avatars.
Jackie Ogden from Flying on Its Back is an incredibly important rite of passage.
Blue chairs. Straddle the seat.
Next, go straight to Navi River Journey. No wait here either.
You don't know what a goblin thistle does. That's the position I'm in.
It's 9:24 and we've already ridden Flights of Passage and Navi River Journey.
Just goes to show the early bird gets the worm. We were here at 7:30, up at the front gate at about 7:45. There was a little bit of a line, maybe about 150 people. They led us back to the Discovery Island Bridge into Pandora. We stayed there for about 15 minutes. And then at about 8:30, they started letting us queue up. And we actually got on Flights of Passage about 10 minutes before the park technically opened. So if you guys are worried about waiting in a 3-hour line, try to get here early. Yeah, it's one of the ways to avoid it. If you don't have the opportunity to get a fast pass for the ride, make sure that you're here early enough that you can jump the line just by being at the front of it.
Stop for coffee and make your way to Kilimanjaro Safari. Crowds are very light.
Very good.
Thank you.
At this time, wait for the safari was only 15 minutes. We shopped for souvenirs for 15 minutes during our Fast Pass window for Festival of the Lion King at 11 a.m. Making your way to Discovery Island, stop in at It's Tough to Be a Bug. Use the mobile ordering for lunch at nearby Flame Tree BBQ. Now my FastPass window is open for Everest. This is the first of 2 rides on Everest. If you enjoyed the Old Flights of Wonder show, check out Up, a Great Bird Adventure. Then we go back to Everest again. This time we use a single rider line. Plan the indoor shows for the middle of the day when it's hottest outside. Now would be a good time to head to Dinoland or return to Flights of Passage. Wait time was 45 minutes this day. Have a relaxing dinner at Satu'li Canteen and then watch the Tree of Life Awakening. Grab some snacks and check out the Viva Gaia band on the way to Rivers of Light. This is a great park plan if you don't have fast passes for the major attractions and you like thrill rides. Stay tuned for more park plan walkthroughs. Be sure and like this video and subscribe. And remember, wherever you are, make it a great Disney day. See ya!